Hi everyone, welcome to Discovering Natural. So I've been getting a ton of requests from people asking how to preserve the okra. So I make a lot of okra recipes, from okra shampoo, okra detangler, okra hair gel, even I make a okra butter. The first way that I preserve my okra, so this is my okra gel that I've made, is just purely okra with water. I don't have any preservatives in there. You can add a little bit of vitamin E in there if you want to. And what I do is I just take it and I just put it inside my fridge like this. And this usually lasts for 2 weeks inside the fridge, and this is just a simple way of preserving my okra gel. The second way that I preserve my okra gel is to take my okra gel and just put it inside a ice cube maker. So just squeeze the okra gel in there, and you can take the number of gels you want and defrost them right before you use it in your hair. And this actually lasts longer. This actually can preserve for up to a month or even 2 months, depending on how much gels that you make. So this is another way you can preserve your okra. So the last way to preserve your okra is to use it as a powder. So you convert it as a powder, and I have a video that I showed earlier. So I make sure that I seal it up with my hair tight sealer, and then I just put it in a safe place, put it in a dry place, and you can, when it's time to use this, just soak it. You can soak it for 10 minutes, but I have a video just showing the full details of how I do that, so you guys can click that link over there that just popped up, the video that just popped up. But thank you so much for watching, and I hope this helps you out. If you have any questions about okra or anything at all, feel free to comment down below and I'll sure answer it. Thanks for watching. Bye.